For Mastercam 2020, changes have been made to the MPBin utility. The location of the MPBin utility has not changed from previous versions, but it has been renamed to MPBin. In addition, MPBin now includes several new features. In previous versions of Mastercam, MPBin would output a separate PSB file for each sim. Starting in Mastercam 2020, MPBin now gives you the additional option of creating a single PSB file that can be used for multiple sims or license numbers. Additionally, MPBin now includes the ability to enter an expiration date for the encrypted post. For more information about what's new in Mastercam 2020, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.